I'm going to make a keto Italian soda, and these are the ingredients. I've got a coconut LaCroix. I've got pomegranate bay and some heavy whipping cream. I like lots of ice, so this cup is full to the brim. Let's get our bay poured in first. Depending on how you have your taste buds, will depend on how much you pour. That was really stupid for me to say. And I can't start this over. Alrighty, let's keep going. Now we are going to open up our coconut LaCroix, and I am just going to pour it over the back of a spoon because I'm gonna try to get the leveled effect. That looks good. Now I'm just going to take some heavy whipping cream and top it off. There you go. Keto Italian soda. These are so good. It's an amazing little treat. Yum! Hope you enjoyed. Bye.